In this video, we will be replacing the fog lamps in this 2012 Ford F150. From the front of the vehicle, we can identify our two fog lamp locations. We will want to look up underneath, behind these two locations. And from underneath the vehicle, we can see our wiring harness. We will rotate this counterclockwise and remove that from the housing. And on the back of that wiring harness, we do have a retaining clip. We can pull that back a little bit and wiggle that fog lamp bulb unit out and away from the wiring harness. And I do like to compare my new bulb with my old bulb. The bulb number is 9140 for these fog lamps. And I will be installing these with some cloth gloves, as it is not advisable to touch the glass portion of the bulb. And with those gloves on, we can install the new bulb into our wiring harness and hear that click. We can then install our bulb into the socket location and rotate that clockwise about a quarter of a turn, and that should snap in place. And the passenger side is done in the same fashion and does have the same level of access to that bulb as the driver's side did. And with those bulbs replaced, this repair is complete.